And the people stayed home and read books and listened and rested and exercised and made art and played games.
You know what else comes from trees?
What?
Paper.
I see 100 things from trees.
Lots of things. Paper comes from trees. Okay. Wood is chopped into small
and learned new ways of being and were still and listened more deeply.
Wait. Wait. Good. Good. Good.
Some meditated. Some prayed. Some danced. Some met their shadows. And the people began to think differently.
Can I ask you to help me with this situation?
Yes.
Thanks.
And the people healed. And in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, mindless, and heartless ways, the earth began to heal.
And me too.
Jackie, what state do you live in? What's the state? Where do we live?
Pennsylvania. And I live there.
You do, in New York?
Yeah.
Do you want to live in New York?
Yes.
Yeah.
I live there.
You do? Can you say Pennsylvania?
Without you.
Oh, without me?
And you are Brennan. And I want to go by myself.
And when the danger passed, and the people joined together again, they grieved their losses and made new choices. And dreamed new images. And created new ways to live and heal the earth fully as they had been healed.